Hi guys, I'm in my hotel just here beside me. I'm going to show you the inside of the hotel. I don't think you can see behind me because there's quite a lot of light going through here. We're in sort of like a archway. So I'll just turn the camera around and I'll show you. Right. That's the alleyway that you come approach. It's quite a narrow alleyway. Gives it the effect now. And as you can see, it's got lovely thick wooden doors. Get someone on a motorbike there. All these little metal bits there. Big, massive, thick door, wooden door. Big, massive knocker on it. It's amazing. It's like a book that you could never judge a cover of. It's awesome in here. It's a very rustic looking Moroccan house, big house, which they've converted into Airbnb and a hotel. Wow, big heavy doors. And look at this, guys. Absolutely beautiful. I have to get used to the gimbal here. Art here. I'm not that used to the gimbal that much. All these little cupboards and stuff. Used for storage. This is the courtyard here. You have your breakfast here. Awesome, massive ceilings up there. You've got all rooms, Airbnb. It's all authentic Moroccan looking furniture. Absolutely awesome. Isn't that a beautiful table? That's the reception. You go in there in a minute. Or should we go in there and have a look? Gimbal to stand still. These are one of the rooms here. Very Moroccan looking house. Absolutely awesome. A lot of the guests have gone, so I've just come in because I'm leaving very shortly. I thought I'd just show you this amazing little hotel with this Moroccan theme. Well, it is a Moroccan house. You've got these lovely wooden doors, original Moroccan doors. Got a little toilet WC here. If you're a guest and you're waiting for your room, you can use to freshen up. Got this reception here. Come in. Where you wait, you can relax here, guys. This is an awesome little Moroccan touch for you as a first time if you've come to Morocco and you want this Moroccan theme. We go upstairs here, guys. Oh, my room is that one there. That's my room. Over there, where is it? That's it. I just wish this gimbal just sit still, just wandering on its own. there is light. If you need to turn the lights on, there's one at the bottom and there's at the top switches. Rooms. Beautiful rooms. Guests have left. Beautiful beds. This is my room in here. It's only a tiny room, very cheap. That's what if you want to looking for this Moroccan adventure. Years ago, I suppose there used to be a little water fountain, water trickling into there, sure. I put all the description, everything there, there's a tap in there. Quite old. There's another room here, yeah. This is a beautiful room. Wow, I like this. Beautiful Moroccan. Lovely Moroccan style chairs. They're beautiful, isn't it? I'd like that. And this furniture here. Look at this. Lovely, all the patterns on here. You got wardrobe. You got a bathroom here. I mean, I would have had one of these rooms if I spent like a week or more. But I've got a small room because I didn't really spend that much time. Each room's got your own little name on the doors. They give you a set of keys. I always forget which way to turn the keys. Wow. This is my room, the DJ room. It's small, but it does, it's really cheap. It's about £30 a night. Can't complain with this. We've got 2 beds, so you could have had 2 people sharing this room. And the walls are so thick here, guys. And it's got air conditioning as well at the top. And a small WC bathroom, shower in there. It's tiny, but it does me. For 30 quid you could share. You can't complain really. Crikey. What do you want for 30 quid? The walls are, it's like the whole building breathes because they've just got this plaster on there, so it keeps everything cool. So nothing, even the windowsills are all marble, nice and cool. Got all old furniture, rustic furniture, rustic walls, all like rustic looking walls. And I think that's why they make these walls like this thick, so it draws in the heat in the summer. I would like to be in Morocco in the summer, that's for sure. It's just got that rustic feeling. Ceiling, all wooden ceilings. It's beautiful. Right, I'm gonna go. You can go down this way as well if if you wanted to. So I'll leave the link in the description where I stayed. So if you want to book it, she's absolutely awesome lady. She speaks many languages. She explains everything. Awesome. I don't need that. But the only thing is there's no lift. So if you've got some sort of disability or something, this won't be for you. It'll be quite steep. If you're staying a short break, she's showing the camera. That's absolutely awesome. And so when you come in, you come to the reception, she'll be waiting here for you guys. I hope you enjoyed that. I'll leave you the description, phone number, link to it, so you can come in there if you really like it. It's very helpful. Got Wi-Fi, everything. Thanks for watching, guys.